You know that saying, the best camera is the one that's always with you? Well, the cameras in most modern smartphones are more than capable enough these days, and if you want to take things a step further, then you'll want something like this, the Freewell Pro SSD Hub. Freewell, best known for their range of camera filters and accessories, now give us their take on what a smartphone hand grip should be with their latest accessory, the Pro SSD Hub, promising to provide the ultimate smartphone shooting solution. We've become accustomed to premium feeling products when it comes to Freewell, and they've made no exceptions here. This thing is built solid and feels seriously robust in the hand. On the face of it, it looks like a standard straightforward phone grip solution, nothing we haven't really seen done before. So we have the phone mount on one side and a single hand grip on the other. Sticking with the hand grip for the moment, know that it feels substantial in the hand, really chunky, allowing you to get a nice, comfortable, solid grip. The rubberized finish, both front and rear, certainly help with both comfort and gripability, although note that we have no place to attach a wrist strap for some added security during mobile shooting, which would have been nice, but saying that, we do get several 1/4" 20 mounting threads built right into the bottom for attaching to tripods and other accessories, with the same mount being Arca Swiss compatible too. At the opposite end, we have a Bluetooth shutter button, which of course pairs with your smartphone to start and stop capture. It's magnetic too, so it can be removed from the hand grip for remote operation at up to 15 meters away, and then snaps straight back into place, a nice added touch. Just beneath this is the first of 3 cold shoe mounts, the remaining 2 being on either side of the smartphone clamp. Ideal for adding all kinds of lights, microphones and other accessories. The clamp itself is rubber lined on all sides, both adding grip as well as protection for your handset, which is held in place rather firm between the spring-loaded clamps. And once in place, the handset can rotate into both landscape and portrait orientations with a simple quick twist. Built-in end stops ensure you're in the correct vertical or horizontal position every time. The real magic happens here though, thanks to this removable section, which in essence is a full-on SSD enclosure. Once removed, notice the built-in tool and screw here, used for tightening up the hand grip rotation mechanism should the need ever arise. Anyways, going back to the SSD enclosure then, where we have a metal construction, great for heat dissipation, and it also incorporates a completely tool-free installation procedure. Simply pull the top cover up and away from the base. It's as simple as that, thanks to a completely magnetic design. Inside we find the main circuitry with the NVMe port at one end, and compatibility with all the common drive sizes, from 2230 right through to 2280, and with capacities up to 8 TB being supported. From here, simply drop in your SSD, and push down to lock into place using the pre-installed rubber grommet. The top cover incorporates a nice large pre-installed thermal transfer pad, and once magnetically reattached to the body, any heat from the SSD will be drawn to the top metal surface thanks to that thermal pad, and with that top surface carrying a heatsink style ribbed design for the best possible heat dissipation. Before using the drive, you'll want to connect it to your computer though, in order to format the SSD and ensure it's ready for use with your smartphone. A quick speed test here shows some respectable speeds too, confirming the drive's operation at a full USB-C 10 gigabits per second, so making it no different in operation to many other external SSD enclosures out there. The difference here though is that it magnetically snaps straight back into the hand grip, making for a nice, neat solution. Notice the protrusions on the main unit that line up with the indentations in the SSD enclosure, thus ensuring both parts line up precisely every time. From here, simply attach the included USB cable to the bottom and the other end to your smartphone, where you can now not only access the SSD as external storage, but you can record at your handset's highest ProRes settings directly onto the SSD, no matter which video capture app you choose to use, and it all works seamlessly throughout, no issues at all. If that Bluetooth shutter button, 1/4" 20 and Arca mount, 3 cold shoe mounts, and the SSD storage weren't enough already, Freewell add even more functionality with the USB port at the very top, which acts as an audio pass-through, so attach an external mic here and it will feed audio straight through to the captured video. In addition, you'll find a further USB-C port in the bottom, and that can be used to feed external power at up to 60 watts via a power bank for instance, in order to keep the handset topped up during use. and that's an important addition considering your handset's battery will deplete much faster if it has to supply power to the SSD enclosure too. Typically, I've found I'd get around half the battery life when using the setup, so this external power port is really handy. It does come with some drawbacks though. Should the attached power bank run out of power while you are actively capturing video, the system doesn't seem to automatically and seamlessly switch to the handset power. It'll cut power to the enclosure completely and hence stop your video recording. Before switching its power source, you'll need to press the shutter button again to continue. So you do really need to ensure you watch the remaining power on your external power bank closely. In addition, there's also nowhere to mount your power bank either, so you'll need to either use a cold shoe mount or get creative somehow. Nevertheless, should you really want to go low profile, thanks to its magnetic base, the SSD enclosure can directly attach to your MagSafe compatible smartphone too. You still need to use the USB cable of course, which can get in the way to be fair, but it's workable and makes for a nice streamlined solution for a quick run and gun style shoot. Just be wary, in this mode you have no space for attaching any external filters over the lenses, whereas in the default Handgrip setup you have plenty of space around the lenses for additional filters. At the end of a day's shooting, remove the enclosure and hook it up to your computer in order to view footage, as well as even edit your project directly from the drive. No faffing about with importing footage at all, a complete videographer solution in one small package. So, while I really like the design and the versatility here, there is some room for improvement. There's that power issue should your power bank deplete, as well as nowhere to mount the thing either. I would have preferred a built-in power bank directly in the handle. Yes, it would increase weight a little, but would have made for a neater overall setup. Otherwise though, this is a super versatile and robust handgrip solution for those that are serious about shooting footage at the highest quality with their smartphones. I appreciate the use of magnets creating a tool-free design, and the enclosure works well, no issues there at all. Another cracking accessory from Freewell that's easy to recommend.